In today's video, I'll show you how to install mod menu in Mafia Definitive Edition. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these two files inside of the game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Select launch game option. Once you are in game, press the F4 to open up this trainer. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to vehicle, spawn, choose the vehicle you like to spawn. And to close this menu, press the F4 key. And now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.